Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how to log in to the Fort Worth ISD portal. So first you're going to open up Google Chrome, and as of right now I have an incognito window opened just because of purposes of login. So first you're going to go to the top browser up here and you're going to type in www.fortworthisd.org/myfwisd. And it will take you to this page where it says class link and to sign in with Microsoft. So you're going to click sign in with Microsoft. I've already sent you your student logins, but you have a username and a password. So I'm going to use somebody's login information so that you can see what the portal looks like. So you will just type in student ID number at stu.fortworthisd.org, so that's the username, and then your password, which I have sent out to everybody. Let me type in this password. So once you type in your password, your username and your password, you're going to select sign in. So we're signing in, and it's going to take us to the ClassLink Launchpad, which it looks just like this. It's loading. So this is the Launchpad. This is where everything is for the students. If you notice, they have Paradeck, Pearson, all of this great stuff here, Seesaw. As soon as they enter into ClassLink, they're going to come over here and click Google Classroom. And once they click that, it's going to open up all of their classes that they are enrolled in. I have already gone in and enrolled everybody inside of my class and inside of the specials class. So this is where they would do work for music, art, and PE. And then this is my classroom. So you're going to click here to see my classroom. And then up here at classwork is where you'll see assignments posted. I already have stuff posted for first day of school, but you're going to go back to the stream. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the Google Slides. So I've made daily slide activities and I've linked the assignments inside of the slides. The slides are just an easy way for students and for parents to navigate through. So you'll click on the slides and you're going to click present so that it goes into presentation mode. And then you can kind of follow the slides. So for example, the first thing we have is our good morning song. And then I'm going to record and post a video here, another video here. And then it takes you to your first assignment. This is the Get to Know You assignment. So all kids have to do is click the picture in the presentation, and it takes them straight to their first assignment. And so here's our first assignment. It's an All About Me activity. So all they would have to do is click the picture. It takes them here in Google Classroom, and then they would click the link. This is a Seesaw activity that I have linked in here. And so if they've already signed into Seesaw, this is what's going to happen. You're going to click it, and it's going to open the assignment. I've already sent out Seesaw logins. I'm still working on some logins because I did get new students. And so it's kind of hard to transfer them from Google Classroom, and that's something that I'm working on today to figure out how I can get those logins for my new students that I got added to my classroom. But if you have not received it yet, you will receive it. Just be patient with me, please. Anyways, so once they go to Seesaw, you will, the student will add a response. They're going to click the green plus button right here, and then they can find their name, and I'm going to click sample student, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to do an activity in Seesaw. So it's going to open up, and here is the All About Me activity. So there's different things that they can do to show their thinking, to show their learning, to respond. So for example, All About Me, they could try to draw their name, or they could type it. So they press the T, and I'm just going to put my name, Mrs. McClure, here. I'm going to make sure I kind of size it a little bit, and you can put it right there. You can even change the color of it too, I believe, if you want, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. They can use the pen. They can pick any color they want, like red or pink. I am 5 years old. What is one thing that they like to do? For example, I like to paint, so I'm going to put paint there. And then they can also add a picture. So if they want to add a picture, they can click photo. If you click photo, it's going to pull up the camera, and it will take a picture of them. They can take a picture. They can upload a video, so they could record a video talking about these things that they like about themselves, or they can upload a picture that they already have on their device. So I'm just going to upload a picture of myself that I have on my device, and I'm just going to select the first one I can find, which is this one right here. Here's a picture of myself, and then my favorite color. So they can use the highlighter or the glow pen, which is my favorite tool, and my favorite color is pink, so I'm just going to color it pink. This is kind of like more like a beige pink, but you get the idea. And my favorite food. So they could insert a picture of their favorite food. They could take a picture and put it here. They could write it. They could draw it however you want. And then if they want to explain their All About Me, they can click the microphone and they can record it. So watch, it's recording right now. This is about me. My name is Mrs. McClure. I'm 5 years old. Not really. I like to paint. My favorite color is pink, and my favorite food is pizza. So they would just record it, and then it's done, and there should be an option to play it. I'm not sure. But once they're done, it's really cool. Once they're done and they turn it into me, I can press play, and it will play the recording. But pretty simple. You can also, if you don't want to fill out this template and they want to draw a picture on a piece of paper, then they can also draw a picture on the piece of paper, take a picture of it, and upload it. So they don't have to follow this template, but I did put this template here for those that may not have school supplies at home and may have, a device that allows them to do this, okay? So once they're done, you're going to click done. Oh, here it is. So watch, it's recording right now. This is just an example. This is about me. My name is Mrs. McClure. I'm 5 years old. Not really. I like to paint. My favorite color is pink, and my favorite food is pizza. That's kind of how it works. And when you're done, you're just going to click the green check mark here. And that submits it to me, and this is what it looks like. It shows it to me, and I can go in and I can look at it. So watch, it's recording right now. I can watch it and listen to it and look at it. And then what you will do is you're going to come back to the All About Me activity here and click mark as done to show that you are done with it. And it's just one way to put it in Google Classroom that you're done, even though you turned it into me. And once they're done, they'll just go back to the slideshow and keep following along. So here's another assignment. They would just click the picture. Here's our specials. I linked the specials. Another activity, etc. So I'm going to try to make sure that every day there are daily slides so that it kind of helps the students independently, and it also helps you as parents go through it in a way that's, I guess, a nice pace. So that's kind of how you get into Google Classroom. And for the Google Meet, I will send out a code. Usually, from what I've learned about Google Meets, is you should be able to just click this link right here, And if the meeting is already started, which I will have it started, they will be allowed to just join in. It'll immediately take them to the Google Meet. So it's really easy. All I have to do is just click that link and it will start the meeting. I shouldn't have to send a code, but if I do, I will let you know. I'm still learning how to use this as well. But that's pretty simple. Right now, I just have first day of school activities in here for you guys that you're able to see. And so there's just 4 activities for our first day. Like I said, I'm working on getting all the Seesaw stuff fixed and all the logins. I've sent the logins out. If you're having issues with it, chances are you might be typing something wrong, because I've gone through and checked everyone's logins and they work. And make sure you're using Google Chrome, because if you're using Safari or Internet Explorer or Firefox, it's not going to work, because a lot of the stuff that we use is Google. So I think that's all that I can think of telling you guys right now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you guys later.